Have you ever had a perfect moment ruined by a bad photo? Well, Google's got a fix. You go away on a trip to a scenic location and you ask a passing stranger to take a picture, and the hurried passerby takes a very unflattering picture of you. You can't post it because you are not in the center of frame, or they've only captured half the landmark. Not the best situation, but what if there was a solution? Well, we live in the height of the AI era, and can put your worries aside, because Google has the solution for you. The wonders of machine learning are ready to tackle all those photo bombers and other unwanted objects from your photos. No Photoshop required. With their start in 2015, Google Photos attracts a large number of users every month who are doing much more on the platform than store and search for pictures and edit them. The company announced this new feature at the 2023 Google I/O event.
It changes the lighting in the rest of the photo so the edit feels consistent. It's truly magical.
Of course, the Magic Eraser function has been available to Pixar users for a while now. Still, Google promises much more capabilities in their new Magic Editor, with the help of the latest developments in the AI world. They are willing to push the boundaries of what's considered a photo. You can remove items from your pictures and do next level light manipulation by making them as dim or bright as you like. These are not your average brightness settings. These are AI powered, and it really works like magic. Not happy with where you are standing in the photo? Just move yourself around till you find the perfect framing. Cut a part of your loved ones on a picture you just took? Not an issue. Just drag them to the center, and the magic of regenerative AI will fill those gaps for you. You can select the sky and change the clouds, the sun's position, and all that good stuff. It will automatically change the lighting in your image. Isn't that magic? With Magic Editor, you don't need to be an expert to make cool changes to your photos. The fancy tech allows you to tweak specific parts of a picture, maybe the person, the sky, or even the background. This means you get to have a lot more say in how your final photo turns out. The best part is this isn't complex like Photoshop, Lightroom, or any other pro-grade photo manipulation app. From the looks of it, you will be able to change the way your picture looks right from the app using a few simple drag and drop moves. So bye-bye so-so pictures, no more ordinary clicks. You can turn your everyday picture into a magical thing starting at the end of this year. You do need to sign up for a Google Photos account, but if you already have a Gmail account, that's not going to be a big leap. And good news if you own a Pixel device, because Google is planning to give away early access to a select user base to play with this new feature and make it better. Some people are worried that sooner rather than later, you're not going to be able to make a distinction between altered photos and reality. If companies are constantly able to develop tools that seamlessly manipulate creative aspects of our life, what's to say that anything we see is real? As tech like this improves and becomes part of our everyday use, we will always question what reality is anymore. But those are questions for the philosophers. Just take a picture and make it yours. How will you use this Magic Editor? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to AI Daily Dose and stay up to date on new AI news. See you in the next one.